Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will compare fractions with unlike denominators. Let's compare the fractions below, 2/3 to 5/8. We notice that these fractions have unlike or different denominators. This fraction has a denominator of 3. This fraction has a denominator of 8. So we can't just look at the numerator to compare them. Let's go ahead and start by creating a visual or a model for one whole. We will use this as a reference point. Now let's create 2/3 using a model. 1/3, 2/3. Now let's model 5/8 using fraction strips. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. We notice that 2/3 is greater than 5/8. Let's take a look at a number line. This number line has 0 to 1 whole. We will use this as a reference point. Now let's take a look at this number line. This number line has 1, 2, 3 equal parts. 1/3, 2/3, just like 2/3 here. Now let's create another number line with 8 equal parts. We need 5/8. We notice that 2/3 is slightly greater than 5/8. So we can say 2/3 is greater than 5/8. Let's compare 2/6 to 2/4. We notice that the denominators are different. This fraction has a denominator of 6. This fraction has a denominator of 4. So we can't just look at the numerators to compare them. Let's start by creating a whole. Now let's create 2/6 using fraction strips. 1/6, 2/6. Let's create 2/4. 1/4, 2/4. We notice that 2/4 is greater than 2/6. Let's take a look at a number line. We have 0 to 1 whole. Now let's create a number line with 6 equal parts or spaces, and we need 2/6. Let's create another number line with 4 equal parts, and we need to label 2/4. We notice that 2/4 is greater than 2/6. So we can say 2/6 is less than 2/4.